Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the public documents and then share them with a public link so your customers can sign your contracts online. If you're already a GoHighLevel user, then this can be really helpful for you because a lot of people were depending on other platforms for e-signatures and documents and contracts. So now you can do all of that within GoHighLevel. So let's dive into my screen here and I'll show you how to set this up. Alright, so I'm in my GoHighLevel sub account. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the payments tab here on the left. And then under documents and contracts, we have to head over to the templates. So once we're there, we're going to click on the new button here. And from here, make sure you select the create public document. And once we click on that, in a few seconds, it will open up the editor. So once we have the editor open, I'm going to add in some dummy information to show you how this would work, and then we'll see how the public link works. So firstly, I'm going to click here and then add in some text. So let's drag that here. I've already copied some of the text from ChatGPT. So I'll just put that here, and then we can also add in another text element here and call it sample contract. Of course, you can add in some more elements like images or videos or tables. But for now, I'm going to keep it simple. And towards the end, we'll add in some fields where we collect the name, signature, as well as the date of signing. So I'm going to use this text field right here. And we're going to drag this over here. And we'll just drag it down a little bit more. And then this is to be filled by the contact, not by us, because we want the customer to fill this, right? So we'll keep this as is. And then in the placeholder, we can put, please enter your full name here. And then we'll add in some more elements like the signature here. So we'll drag this here. Then I'll also put the date element here. So if we put this here, again, this is to be filled by the contact. The placeholder is select date. And then we're going to change the available dates to today's date. So that way it is the signing date here. And once we have this ready, I'm going to name this sample contract, right? And I'm going to click on save. And then if you click on publish, it will give you the option to generate the link that you can share with your customers. And this will be a public link that anybody can access. So we can click on copy here. And then if I open this up in a new tab here, let's see how that looks like. So you can see once I open this, it is asking me for my information. So I'll just go ahead and put that in. This will be used to collect information. So let's just go out here and click on submit. And then in a few seconds, this will show us the document right here. So you can see it shows us start filling out. So if you click on that, it will take us to the required fields here. Here you can see the name of the role popping up, which we filled out in the initial form. So again, I'll just put that here again. And then I'll make the signature. You can also draw it or you can type it. So we'll click on accept and sign. And lastly, here you can see only today's date is available. So we'll reflect that here. And then we'll go ahead and click on finish. And now this document is signed. So once you're back here, you will see that we have a public documents tab right here. And here you will be able to see that this document was filled out. So we can see it is reflecting the response here. And again, if you still want to copy the link and use it for something else, or maybe you want to use this as a template, then you can still do that. But all the responses for the public documents will be reflected here. Again, we're under documents and contracts under templates, and then under public documents where you can have visibility of the responses on the contracts. So that is how easy it was to use the public document creation process in GoHighLevel, and then share it with the public link that anybody can access and fill that out so you can get responses on your contracts. Again, this can be really helpful because if you're using other e-signature platforms, you can do all of that within GoHighLevel now, which will save you time as well as money on the subscription costs. I hope this video provided you some value. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.